life goes fast. Stand up for the weak and to kneel at the flag. So I got a problem with people disrespecting what our forefathers fought for and what it's representing. I bleed red, white, and blue. It's not an act. So if you don't agree or got a problem with that, I run with the wild horses. Some people in this world, they just want to fight without carving out the time to get the facts right. And when we don't agree, all hell breaks loose. Then we turn our backs with different versions of the truth. Whatever happened to the land of the free? Love and I never practicing what you preach. Don't open your mouth just to hear yourself talk. You won't find me out here not walking the walk, 'cause I run.
Hey, good morning, guys. We're sitting up here in Kansas. This is our first opportunity to get up here this year for youth season. And we got quite a few birds been hanging around on the Tacticam camera there. I got a few good quality toms there, but it'll be a gorgeous morning to get out here and do a little hunting. We got a few birds back out in here right now. It's really dark in this blind, so we can't do a great quality video right out the gate without putting a whole lot of light on there. But we are rolling with the Ozark Ridge calls there. Great calls out of Missouri. We got the 410 double X Winchesters there. Avery here has been using this 410. I will show you guys real quick, and been pretty impressed with this little weapon here. It's a Stevens, I think it's a 301 or 310. I'm not for sure, I can't remember. It's 301, 410. It does have an external extra choke there, or extra tight choke, and then we're shooting a Vortex Viper on that. That gun was hooked up by Eagle Outdoors there in Neosho, Missouri. Great quality people there, very knowledgeable there, and get you guys hooked up on anything you need. But we can go ahead and get quiet and take you guys along for the hunt.
I run
All right, guys, well, we got it done here this morning. This is Avery's very first turkey, shot with the 410. I'm guessing it's probably 30, 35 yards out there. We shot the Winchester XX 410 3-inch. Great quality shot there. And then we're also using the Ozark Ridge calls. Good mature bird on there, probably 1.25 inch spurs on him. Gorgeous morning, couldn't ask for a better one. He followed the hen right in through here, and Avery's able to make a great shot on that bird, and really worked out good. Had both my girls with me here this morning. We're hunting over Nixa Hardware cold grazer rye food plot that we planted there for the deer, but we plant that stuff to take it right back in through turkey season, and then we progress from there on into the summer and fall plots. But Avery, you got anything you want to say to anybody? Did you have fun?
Yeah, I have a lot of fun, and the biggest thing that I had to work on was being quiet.
Yep.
And being patient, pretty much.
And me too.
Yeah, and you too. All right, thanks for watching, guys.